do a little bit of a different video tonight. We're going to do kind of an instructional video. We're going to show you how to hook up conveyors to, in this case, furnaces to run wood, whatever through. So in this, what you're going to need is you're going to need the pipe tool. You're going to need your power tool. Your power coming in, which is hooked up on batteries up top. You're going to need industrial conveyors and your storage adapters. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a couple of these storage adapters and hook them together. So the best way to think of this is you're taking items out of your box, putting them into another box, taking out of this box, and going into what you want. So we're going to go from the out to the input. From the output of that, we're going to go over to our input. Every once in a while you'll get pipes will get messed up. So we're going to go in here, go out here, daisy chain them together. We're going to do our out down. Then we're going to go back to our input. Our output, we're going to go to our output boxes. So in this case, it's going to be charcoal. So I'm just going to chain a couple of these together. I have a lot of them set up. Now, these take 1 power each. So this branch is hooked up. So what we can do is power in, pass through, over to power in. Now I'm just going to set this up. So if you hold E on it, you can go change filters. You can type in what you want. So in this case, it's going to be wood. I have a couple stacks of wood. We're just going to throw into here. So now, when we turn this one on, come over here, and you'll see it pop in. So now, if you want easy setup, you can be done. Works. Now everything's going to be staying in there. If you come over, you turn your output one on, then you'll start seeing it pop into your output. And there you go. Now that's a nice easy setup. But you can take it one step further and make an easy on. So what we're going to do in this situation, we're going to just take an igniter. We're going to take a push button. We're going to get another branch. We're getting to our power over. Now we're going to run our power down too. So we're going to run our power out of there to the input. Your output down. And we're going to go into the igniter. And that will ignite. So when you put your wood in, all you gotta do is give it a couple seconds, hit your igniter, and it'll set all of them off. That way you don't have to go through and light them all. When you have a few like this, it's not necessarily bad. But whenever you get a crap ton, that's whenever you start running into issues. So whenever you get multiple on top of multiple, you kind of run into the problems of actually placing them. So what we're going to do right now, so now you have a bunch. I'm gonna go up here, I'm gonna get some more storage adapters. So now you up your game. But it's still the same ordeal. Now you're gonna go down. Now you're gonna daisy chain these all together. And that was cool. Kind of ended on the same furnace there. So now what we can do. I don't know why it's not coming in my bar, but whatever. So now we have our power in. Then what we gotta do is we gotta do our power out. So in this case, we're gonna take our power out and we're gonna branch it off. So we're gonna take branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need one more branch. Now I might need to add one more down on that end. And we're gonna do 15. Adjust it. And actually we don't. Now they're all running. Kind of a quick, simple explanation of how conveyors work, but it gives you the whole idea.